Are you constantly plagued by self-doubt? Does it feel like an invisible force holding you back from achieving your goals and dreams? Self-doubt is a normal human experience. It can even be a motivator for self-improvement. The key is to learn to manage it effectively so it doesn't hold you back from reaching your full potential. Well, we are here to tell you that you can conquer self-doubt and unleash unbreakable confidence. Welcome to our empowering video on overcoming self-doubt and cultivating unwavering confidence. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore effective strategies to help you eliminate self-doubt forever. Self-doubt can often hinder our personal and professional growth, preventing us from reaching our full potential. Join us in this transformative journey as we equip you with tools and insights to overcome self-doubt and embrace a more confident and fulfilling life. There are 5 easy steps to eliminate self-doubt. Understand what is self-doubt. Challenge your limiting beliefs. Embrace failures as learning opportunities. Cultivate a supportive network practice. Self-compassion and mindfulness. The first step is to identify the root cause of your self-doubt. Is it past failures? Negative feedback from others? Once you understand the source, you can begin to address it head-on. Pay attention to your thoughts and feelings. Recognize when self-doubt is creeping in. Identify the patterns and triggers that contribute to your self-doubt. Next, challenge your negative thoughts. Whenever self-doubt creeps in, ask yourself, is this thought based on facts or is it just my fear talking? When self-doubt whispers negativity, try to step back and analyze its claims. Are they based on objective evidence or just your own anxieties? Challenge those thoughts with counter-arguments highlighting your strengths and past successes. Remember, you have the power to control your thoughts. One powerful technique to banish self-doubt is to visualize success. Close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself achieving your goals. See the smiles, hear the applause. This visualization exercise will build your confidence and override any doubts. Striving for flawlessness can be a recipe for self-doubt. Instead, celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Acknowledge effort and learning, and remember that growth is never linear. Acknowledge your successes, even small ones. Keep a journal of your accomplishments to remind yourself of your capabilities. It's also crucial to surround yourself with positivity. Seek out supportive friends and mentors who believe in you. Their encouragement will serve as a shield against self-doubt. Build a support system. Surround yourself with positive and encouraging people who believe in you. Share your doubts and fears with them, and let their confidence and validation uplift you. Another effective strategy is to break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. By accomplishing these tasks one by one, you'll build momentum and prove to yourself that you are capable. Instead of dwelling on failures, view them as opportunities for growth. Identify lessons learned and focus on improvement. Keep acquiring new skills and knowledge. The more you learn and develop, the more confident you may feel in your abilities. If self-doubt is significantly impacting your well-being, consider seeking guidance from a therapist or counselor. They can equip you with tools and strategies to manage your inner critic and build self-confidence. And finally, practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small. Remember, you are your own biggest cheerleader. Focus on progress, not perfection. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself, just like you would be to a friend. Accept that everyone makes mistakes and has moments of uncertainty. Treat yourself with understanding and encouragement. By following these steps, you can eliminate self-doubt forever and unleash your unbreakable confidence. So believe in yourself, take action, and watch as your dreams become a reality. Consistently practicing these strategies is essential for long-term growth. Embrace your true potential, believe in yourself, and let go of self-doubt. You have the power within you to overcome any obstacle. Begin your journey to a confident, fulfilling life today. Remember, it's quite normal to experience self-doubt from time to time. The goal is not necessarily to eliminate it entirely, but to manage it in a healthy way and build resilience. Experiment with these strategies and find what works best for you. Self-compassion and mindfulness play an integral role in building inner confidence. By prioritizing self-care, embracing our imperfections, and practicing mindfulness, we can silence self-doubt and connect with our true selves. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content.